Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to print from Orca Slicer. So before printing, the software needs to cut your model into thin layers. So what you're going to do is first open Orca Slicer and, as I assume, you place 3D model on the virtual bed. So this one right here. Now select your printer, filament and process settings like layer height and infill from the left panel, so you can check previous videos about that, how to do that. So I will just show you here quickly. So here you connect the printer and then you have here some selection of the printer. If you press Ctrl P or on Mac CMD P, you will open up the preferences, basically some settings where you can adjust some options. Now that we done that, what you're going to do is check at the top right corner of the screen where you will see slice plate. So you can select here slice all or just slice plate. So if we select that, uh, you will need to wait a few seconds for the software to process. The screen will change to show a preview of how the layers will print. Now, if you want to check something uh, before you went to this preview, you can just simply go here at the top left corner, prepare, and you are back in this editing page or tab, how you prefer. Once sliced, look at the top right corner again. The main button will change options based on how your printer is hooked up. So you can wireless printing, you can SD card or USB drive. So this is manual transfer if your printer is not connected to your home network. You will just plug in your SD card and in the top right corner of Orca Slicer, click the small arrow uh, next to the export button and select export G-code file. You will save this file directly onto a SD card or USB drive and uh, manually transfer this USB drive to your printer, and that's pretty much it. Then you will do that on your screen on printer and yeah, you will start printing. And this is pretty much it, how you can print from Orca Slicer. So if you are using wireless printing, you will just simply start here, select the printer right here in the left side, and then you will just start the print, the print process like so right here. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next